This is article number SF-07. It's a very bright navy blue colored dress. This is the front of the shirt with multicolored embroidery over it and the logo. Sleeves have a heavy border and tilla embroidery on the top of it. This is the back of the shirt, which has a border and a spread all over it. This is the dupatta with one-sided border and sequins and tilla embroidery all over it. This is the contrast one-sided border along with the dupatta. This border comes along with the shirt. This is the grip trouser with embroidered border to it, and these are the embellishments provided with the shirt.